इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome each one of you to Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is helping all the international and national brands for their franchisee expansion. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped thousands of investors in getting the suggestion, franchisee viewpoint from us as well as business from us. We welcome management team of Franchise India for this particular webinar. We welcome Gaurav sir as well as Sonia ma'am. They'll be sharing their insights, their thoughts, their views with each one of us. The brand which we are representing today is Prugal. Prugal is a gaming equipment and accessories rental platform that is dedicated to the gamers of all kind. And today, Varun, who has joined us from Prugal, will talk about 3 different business opportunities they are offering. Thank you so much, Varun, for joining in. Over to you so
Thank
that we
you.
can have a presentation from your side.
Yeah, sure. So should I start sharing my screen?
Yes, Mr. Mittal.
Yeah. So yeah, can you see it?
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah. So basically, Plugal, we started it in like 2 years back. We were very actually मैंने काफी सारी franchisees पहले खुद workout किया हुआ है, and I have been a serial entrepreneur my whole life, and I have started really early, basically into the business with my father's grocery store at around age of 18, maybe maybe even less. So uh, let's take it forward. Just give me a second. Yeah, so Plugal mein we are trying to basically create a 360-degree ecosystem for gamers. Like everything. Actually, जो Indian gaming industry है, it's a very big industry, but affordability नहीं है. Technology is always expensive. अगर आप पूरी history देखेंगे, तो technology has been always expensive. So we have thought of this online electronic rental store, जिसमें हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बेसिकली जो एक्सपेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजी है वो बहुत चीप प्राइसेस पे रेंट आउट कर रहे हैं so that the gamers and others also can get the benefit out of it. Because there are parents जो बहुत cautious है, those who don't want to, get get those expensive gaming platforms for their kids. And there are kids who want to try everything, and there are even adults जो gaming industry में घुसना चाहते हैं, but it's घुसना ही बहुत expensive हो रहा है because of the technology. So this is how we created Plugal. इसमें हम basically online electronic rental store जो है वो रन कर रहे हैं without any security deposits, and so it is helping them more than we were imagining it would help. So we are aiming to get 1 million consumers by active rental users by July 2021. And इसमें बस हम इतना ही नहीं कर रहे, we are trying to create Plugal cafes also, जिसमें they can come in and get into the community. E-sport events we are regularly doing, and there are different segments जिसको हम cater कर रहे हैं. So customers जो है बहुत ज़्यादा है, like we have 22,000 customers जो waiting list में है. I'm not talking about the customers जो अभी हम cater कर रहे हैं. Around 2,000 customers regularly आ रहे हैं, and they are pouring in lots of love. The service is very good, and our delivery system is very good, so we can deliver things at their house within 4 hours. Every customer is verified. जो भी customers पे हमारा platform पे सामान जाता है, they have been verified customers only. So there is no loopholes, and we have created a very good security system to for any breach if there could happen. And so these are the gaming equipments we are currently renting it out to other customers. So there is one PlayStation Slim. It's the hot selling product. 60% of our customers look for PlayStations. There's virtual reality games. There's then PlayStation older versions. Then there is Xbox, their respective controllers, racing wheels, उनकी games काफी सारी, around there are 2,000 games regarding this, and everything is super expensive. क्या है कि कोई भी जल्दी से 50,000 60,000 rupees spend नहीं करेगा. Even 30,000 rupees भी spend करने में for just gaming लोग कतराते हैं इंडिया में. So this is where we come in. We give them in those prices जो affordable भी हैं, and they don't have to commit it. Like अगर parents ने आज उनको दिला दिया after the papers or after the exams or maybe any day. And सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है इस business की? It's a COVID proof business. कोरोना वायरस के टाइम पे it has boomed a lot. हमारे customers around 500 daily visitors थे website और app पे, which have gone to like 2,000 visitors a day. That makes 60,000 customers a month जो आके सिर्फ ये कहते हैं कि हमें अपना सामान रेंट पे दे दीजिए प्लीज. एंड अराउंड हमने 22,000 कस्टमर्स की वेटिंग लिस्ट बना दी है अभी तक, कि जिनको हम केटर ही नहीं कर पा रहे बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई डिमांड. हम जो कर ही नहीं पा रहे, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव थॉट ऑफ फ्रेंचाइजिंग इट टू अदर पीपल एंड getting them to do these things for us. It will help both customers as well as the franchisee owners to get into this business. And there are many other things, like there are computers जो अलग-अलग customers को help कर रहे हैं. Like computers जो help कर रहे हैं हमारे customers को, which is very unique basically, क्योंकि there are people जिनकी salaries बहुत low है, around 10,000 15,000. they can't even afford a computer for their kids, और सारा कोरोना वायरस के टाइम पे have been shifted to online. So हमारी कंपनी उन लोगों को भी हेल्प कर पाती है just by giving them computers in like 800 rupees of rent, and the profitability is very good, and it is also helping those students जो नहीं पढ़ पा रहे, and even other people like जो work from home कर रहे हैं. These computers are also helping them a lot. So basically हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत ही simple setup है. लोग अपनी ऐप डालते हैं, वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं एंड दे गो फॉर मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शंस। जो एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स है एंड जो गेमिंग के हैं वो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए जाते हैं एंड द रेंटल इज वेरी हाई, वेरी गुड फॉर बिजनेस एज वेल एज द कंज्यूमर्स, क्योंकि उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है बिकॉज द प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव इन द वेरी फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड दे आर गेटिंग इट इन द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मनी। We don't take any security deposits. उसका रीजन है बिकॉज वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ वेरी यूनिक सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम इन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म, जो ब्रीच करना नियरली इम्पॉसिबल है। हमने अराउंड 2 years से कर रहे हैं एंड देयर हैज बीन नो ब्रीच एट ऑल। जितने भी कस्टमर्स है, वी हैव बीन सक्सेसफुली एबल टू रिट्रीव ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट विच वी हैव रेंटेड आउट, एंड उसके बाद भी देयर इज इंश्योरेंस एंड it's a very foolproof plan. So and then every customer is verified and we can deliver, we have the delivery capacity of going in for a 24-hour delivery system, and बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल है कस्टमर्स के लिए, बहुत ही ज्यादा। एज आई सेड, कंप्यूटर्स कैन गो अप टू लाइक 500 rupees a month, and games just starts at 200 rupees, which can cost around 5,000 6,000 rupees in the first place, जो कि एक महीने बाद most of the users won't even play. So this is where we land in and this is where we give them the good opportunity. और रिटेंशन रेट इसकी वजह से बहुत ही ज्यादा हाई है। लाइक एक कंज्यूमर अगर हमारे साथ आज जुड़ता है, he'll be referring it to other customers, and there is 78% referral rate and 90% of the customers order back. So this is very good. So marketing में हमने अलग अलग लेवल पे काफी ज्यादा एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हैं। लाइक स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स होते हैं, लाइक IPL ISL, उसमें हमने कैंपेन्स रन कर रहे हैं, एड्स रन कर रहे हैं, एंड बोथ नेशनली एंड लोकली हमने क्रिकेट टीम्स जो है प्लूगल वॉरियर्स के नाम से, जैसे दिल्ली में रीजनल क्रिकेट टीम्स हो रही हैं, हम थ्रू स्पोर्ट्स ही गेमिंग को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। And there has been lots of love from every sports team, and there are lots of people like people coming from Hotstar, Netflix, जो कह रहे हैं कि to have a regular advertisement on our platform, and we are promoting it on Hotstar for now because consumers हमारे पे already ही बहुत ज्यादा है, waiting list काफी high है। So we are trying to get into more things like Netflix. अगर after the franchisee हर जगह पे properly set up हो जाते हैं, then we'll market it into Netflix also, and Amazon Prime, YouTube पे, Facebook पे, Instagram पे, ये सब regularly advertise हो ही रहा है। We are promoting the brand, and SEO बहुत strong है हमारा कंपनी का, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन। Those who don't know, like if you Google renting PS4, rent PS4, Xbox, कोई भी गेमिंग का इक्विपमेंट, if you want to rent, if you just go to Google, सबसे पहले they'll promote us. Google Accelerator प्रोग्राम हमें सपोर्ट कर रहा है, एंड गूगल खुद हमें प्रमोट कर रहा है अपने एंड पे विदाउट एनी फीस at most of the places. Right now, as I said earlier, हमारी visitors बहुत ज़्यादा high है, which we cannot control right now because इतना हम पे product ही नहीं है to stock out everything. And we are currently there are 2,000 visitors on our website and app, and around 22,000 people are in the waiting list and counting every minute. Like so the system, let's come to system and processes. So we have, like as I told you, कि हमारा security system बहुत अच्छा है, and there is no problems in retrieving our product back. So there is an equipment tracker which is called IoT chips. So उससे क्या है कि हम अपने equipments की health पूरी properly test out करते हैं, वो कहाँ पर है उसकी location हम test out कर सकते हैं। हमारे इनमें IoT चिप्स के अलावा हमारी खुद की बार कोडिंग एंड वो भी हुआ है। क्या कहते हैं seal होती है product seal, so that is also there. So there is no breach as far as the technological aspect goes, कि कोई उसको ब्रीच करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है, डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, मोस्टली इम्पॉसिबल ही है. जैसे ही करेगा we'll get a notification or our platform, and there are people who are regularly tracking these equipments in our company right now. And we take complete KYC, proper KYC है जिसमें we take security, we take their parents, like their Aadhaar card, PAN card. We take their somebody who can give the product, who can give their guarantee, and a few more things we take in that KYC. And then we give them products. Then after we deliver it to them, we do a rental agreement with them. So if there is any problem, we can legally go towards them. And हमेशा inspection होता है, like before going there is an inspection of the products कि कोई problem नहीं आ रही है उसमें. IoT chips helps them in a lot, but there is a always person who checks those inventory. एंड जब वापस आती है तब भी हम पूरा चेक करते हैं. कोई भी डैमेज होता है इज पेबल बाय आवर कस्टमर्स. जो भी कोई उस पर डैमेज आता है या फिर कुछ दे ट्राई टू ब्रीच इट, सब हमारे कस्टमर्स पे करते हैं. एंड उसके बाद भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, देन देयर इज अ प्रोडक्ट लाइबिलिटी इंश्योरेंस. हमारी कंपनी इंश्योर करके देती है कि आपको प्रोडक्ट आपका सेफली घर पे आ जाए व्हेन यू बाय दो स्टॉक. एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर इज कस्टमर डेटा. So there is high, focus on, to be very customer driven, to, save all those information and in a very formatted way to keep those products safe. And जो भी डेटा कस्टमर का स्टोर होता है, it automatically, when it comes into our facility back, हम वो डिलीट कर देते हैं. एंड द प्रोडक्ट गेट्स back to as brand new as possible. Like we have systems and we have products to clean those products, to there are normal wear and tears to protect that. And it comes back to brand new, like and the customer data are also deleted. So something about me, I have been, doing this for a long time now. It's been like 10-15 years. I've been doing business. I have been into small, medium, large enterprises. मैंने होटल इंडस्ट्री में काम किया हुआ है, मैंने हॉस्पिटल इंडस्ट्री में काम किया हुआ है. मैं खुद फ्रेंचाइजी बना हुआ हूँ. पहले मैंने कलेवा रेस्टोरेंट्स की फ्रेंचाइजी ली थी. एंड आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू बी अ फ्रेंचाइजी. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी पेन पॉइंट जो एक फ्रेंचाइजी कैन गो थ्रू. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव एंटर्ड इनटू अ फ्रेंचाइजी बिजनेस व्हेन मैं श्योर था कि आई कैन प्रोवाइड वैल्यू टू दोज पीपल. I can help them earn good bucks. I can help customers build a good reputation of the company, and I know for a fact ki we can do great. Then I have contacted Franchisee India after that. And as I said, I have been into the hotel industry. मैंने Delhi 6 restaurant chains run किया, and I have successfully exited from them. And I have been into real estate distribution. मैंने actually बहुत early stage पे business करना start कर दिया था from my father's grocery store because of my father's ill health. उनकी तबीयत ज़्यादा ठीक नहीं रहती थी, so I have started really early into the business. And from then on, I have gone into multiple ventures. And gaming has always been my passion. And being a kid मेरे को कभी भी मिला नहीं है because of फादर बहुत कॉशियस थे. पेमेंट्स की बहुत, एज आई सेड, कि बहुत मुश्किल है टू स्पेंड ऑन एक्सपेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज ऑफ इंडिया. दे आर वेरी कॉशियस इन बाइंग थिंग्स. एंड उसके बाद भी खर्चे खत्म नहीं होते टेक्नोलॉजी के. देयर इज something or the other. Like in the gaming industry, if you buy a 30,000 rupees of gaming platform, आपको 3-4 हजार रुपए की रेगुलरली गेम्स भी परचेज करनी पड़ेगी उसके बाद. So I have seen this opportunity and I really like solving these problems and I've gone with Plugel after that. So coming to the gaming industry, Indian gaming industry is very big. You know, and if we talk about China and other countries like South Korea, US, it has gone up to, around $250 billion. And right now, India is not, is like every kid, even a 24-year-old, 25-year-old wants to play a high resolution online game, offline game. They want to play games, but as I said, there is a ample opportunity here, and our economics just isn't able to support it because of the expensive technology. So, and the technology is ever growing. ऐसा नहीं है कि this business is limited to the gaming industry. The technology is growing every day, and the future is very bright because as economics tell, Indian industry भी खुद 2025 तक $250 billion की हो जाएगी. Gaming industry की बात करें तो सिर्फ. So there is ample opportunity and there are ample people, those who want these products to be rented out. So basically, there are. So I'll tell you what type of gaming, all gaming things are there. So there is a single player games. Basically, if we talk about gaming, there is a single player games and there are then multiplayer games जो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ खेलते हैं, and then there are massively multiplayer games जो online एक दूसरे के साथ अपने अपने घर पे बैठ के लोग गेम खेलते हैं. कहाँ कहाँ खेली जाती है? Basically, they can play online and offline games. So consoles आते हैं, like as I told you, PS4, and there is an Xbox, and there are many other companies that are bringing their own consoles also, and those are those things. And then there are PC, laptops, computers, then there is mobile. हम इनको online and offline भी खेल सकते हैं, and this is the majority of the people are. Online games around 85% mobile पे खेली जाती है, around 4% tablets पे and other places पे, and PC and laptops पे around 11% खेली जाती है, and that is because क्योंकि वो expensive बहुत हो जाता है. High-end gaming is expensive in India, so that is why जो हाई एंड गेमिंग है वो थोड़ी कम खेली जाती है बिकॉज वो अफोर्डेबल कम है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई पीपल आर प्रेफरिंग राइट नाउ टू बी ऑन मोबाइल फोन्स rather than being on bigger platforms. So let's talk about Indian gamers. So as far as our experience goes, they are basically around 59% of them are below 24-year-old. 22% of them are from at the age of 25 and 30. They are mostly males basically, and as I said, 83% are male dominant gaming industry is right now, and 17% of them are female. All type of games are there. And games don't only help these gamers in just they also help them in their cognitive abilities, like this is said that अगर doctor जो surgical doctors होते हैं have a high cognitive ability in surgeries if they play games, high-end games, than the ones that don't play games. So there is one that fact that goes around. So there are number of games, like most of them you can see, like there are puzzle game, action game, sports game, social card games, and there are lots and lots of games, and it's a never ending process. like अगर एक if there is a person who gets interested into this industry will be drawn into it forever. Like retention rate is very high. As I said, 80% of our customers, 78% of our customers are referring it to their friends, and around 90% of them are, telling, ordering it back, and around 3 months to 6 months minimum, they keep the rental products. And now coming back to the industry, Indian gaming industry. So 190 billion gamers, a million gamers are there in India right now, and it is growing. It is growing at a very fast pace. And coronavirus ke time pe it has taken a 10x fold times to how they're growing. And coming back to the consoles, अगर हम सिर्फ कंसोल्स की बात करें अराउंड यूएस डॉलर्स में, तो अराउंड $1 billion की अपॉर्चुनिटी बाय 2021 we have seen it. If we talk about economics, we have seen it in India, and it has been growing in a very exponential rate. सिर्फ $290 million की इंडस्ट्री थी in 2017. We are talking about in India right now. And as I was talking about earlier, I was talking about the US numbers, and it has been growing in a very fast pace. And सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम जो अभी इंडस्ट्री फेस कर रही है इज लाइक, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि कोरोना वायरस के टाइम पे अफोर्डेबिलिटी बहुत लो हो गई है कस्टमर्स की. लाइक दे कांट अफोर्ड दीज एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड they have started looking for alternatives, which is Plugal right now. And many factors are helping us in this industry, like the internet reaching every corner of the country, the smartphone penetrating every, like everybody has a smartphone in their hands right now. India is the youngest country in the world right now, so the younger people are here. Younger people are more here. Urban city में की बात करें, Tier 1 city, Tier 2 city की बात करें, तो there is a rising disposable income here. People can easily afford these things because we are giving it in a fraction of prices in which they are actually selling. So there are many localized gaming centers here, and there is a local developer ecosystem is growing. Like if you know, the 4G game is coming up, and many other local brands are developing. The ecosystem is developing day by day. There is a digital payment user base, so it is easier to get games. It is easier to get into gaming right now, and we are here. We are at disposable to those 190 million gamers, and we are creating new ones also. Like these figures, 190 million gamers are those who can afford these gaming right now, जो अफोर्ड कर पा रहे हैं. एंड Plugal is one of the companies जो हेल्प कर रही है to bring this number to even more heights, because we are helping even those customers जो बिल्कुल अफोर्ड भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. जो अफोर्ड कर पा रहे हैं are looking into this alternative because it's more affordable, it's more sensible to go with Plugal, because it's a cheaper alternative for the very same thing that they are paying for. And so this is the growth that we are expecting, and multiple factors are being the catalyst of this growth right now. So technology, as I said, is getting more and more affordable. There are localized gamers, localized developers जो regularly game develop कर रहे हैं, regularly bringing new gamers in because of the new games. And there is digital payment. So let's come to the franchise proposal. So this is I've already discussed. We are based in Delhi right now, and we have a very large inventory and gaming equipment here. हम सोशल मीडिया डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हमारे जो गेमर्स है ई स्पोर्ट्स ई सॉरी ई ई स्पोर्ट्स में जा जाके वी कॉलेजेस में we promote these things digital marketing के through we promote these things we get them to get on our platform apps and website they do their KYCs and every other things and they give us a full payment in advance जितना भी रेंट होता है जितना भी they are they take give us in advance and we ship them all the equipments based on कि उन्होंने within 24 hours basically this is a standard 24 hour system but there is an optional 4 hour system जिसके लिए हम extra charge करते हैं and we charge them for you know equipment installations also and every other things and they're happy to pay for those things because you know they are in a little bit of hurry when they get to know ki uh, these things are coming at a very affordable prices. Then there comes the service and you know the system processes like we control each and every customer's activity, the equipments. We provide them with the games and we can track those games also via via PlayStation Access passes and Xbox passes as well, and the streaming platforms of PCs also, computers also. So why are we franchising it? Is because you know we have a large customer database from all across India. हम पे like around, as I've told you earlier and again, we have around 22,000 customers जो तो waiting list में है जिन्हें हमें देना ही देना है and there are customers which we are even not even counting which has gone up to like 60,000. I don't remember the exact numbers but जो you know all across India we are getting our calls ki just give us. We have a very strong social media presence and this is the proposed role for franchisees now. So what we'll do is we'll handle all the media presence, digital marketing, customer interest, and we will bring the customers to you and you have to serve those customers. This is the proposed role for the franchisees. They have to maintain their inventory and they have to target their local area and have to KYC and agreements जो है they have to get them on board and they have to serve those customers. They have to उनको कोई भी query होती है कोई भी problems होती है you have to handle them yourselves and equipment you have to get them delivered within the 24-hour range. And if you aren't able to support a 4-hour delivery system, we'll not promote that in your area. And so basically you have to manage the leads, inventory, and we'll give you all the support after that. And we'll do all the marketing for you. आपकी लोकल एरिया में भी पूरा हम मार्केट करेंगे, इन्वेंट्री भी पूरी हम प्लान आउट करेंगे, कस्टमर्स भी हम लाके देंगे, and we'll ensure your ROI as well. So we'll be doing everything for you. You just have to serve our customers as they want to be served. They should be happy, you know, because it's like a entertainment industry. अगर कोई मूवी हॉल पे जाके एंजॉय करता है तो वो मूवी हॉल में ही देखेगा. सेम गोज फॉर यू नो गेमिंग. अगर वो हमारी प्रोडक्ट एंजॉय कर रहा है तभी वो बार बार रेंट आउट करेगा. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू सर्व आवर कस्टमर्स एज यू नो as good as they want it to be. So that's your responsibility. Baki we'll look after it. We have been looking after a few franchisees ourselves. Like there is a one in Dehradun and there are multiple in Delhi right now. So our support, let's talk about our support. We'll bring you all the new technologies and games and equipments regularly. we'll update your inventory, we'll read the market intelligently. As I said earlier, हम customers को बहुत बारीकी से analyze करते हैं just before getting into anything. We have a long and good research before we go into the industry. Like if we want to go into a computer industry, we have researched it, we have lots of requests, then we have entered into a computer industry. So we'll generate all the market leads, and we'll bring in the customers. Basically, they'll come in on our website and app, and you'll get the order through your sales panel, which we'll provide you. And system and processes we are closely looking after कि कोई problems ना आए. Equipment rentals and advisory, there is always there. There is 24/7 support system. They can always call. You can always call. We have a 24/7 open toll-free line, and people can come in and just get the hold of what we are doing and what we can help them with. And we resolve all the problems within the 24 hours. कोई भी आती है तो, even for the franchisee and even for the customers. And other than that, we are supporting them in everything. Like if they don't have a delivery system in place, we'll help them in delivery. But we'll do everything to ensure कि franchisee is running smoothly and profitably. So this is what the ideal partner profile would look like. So these are the three profile. There is a retail store, there's a cafe setup, and there is a local marketing, like on your spaces, nearby spaces. So let's put the skill sets first, what we are looking at in a partner. So he should be a have a passion towards gaming. तभी वो gaming के बारे में थोड़ा समझ पाएगा, and जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी है, it will be easier for them to accept it. जो भी आती है, because it's a ever growing chain. Technology will be will be always there'll be always new technology coming in. So, and there will be always customers wanting it for more. So he should be passionate about gaming, and jitne he can be young, and we'll prefer it to be a a younger in age, we can say. So and they should have an investment capacity, because this is the main issue. Like we cannot buy all the products. That is why we are making franchisees in the local areas. So they should have a investment capacity, ताकि अपने local area में they can serve. Location थोड़ी accessible होनी चाहिए. They should have a good customer relationship management. As I said earlier, our customer needs to be happy, because they are gamers, and they're looking for an entertainment. They're looking for an good dose of happiness. Customer servicing has to be their priority. Like they have to serve their customer. They have to be vocal about our brand, Plugal. So local marketing is there. They have to adhere to the brand standards. We have standard operating procedures, and they have to strictly follow those. They should have a little knowledge about the surroundings and the local market and the games as well, which are in rise. Like अगर हम आज की बात करें, there is Assassin's Creed, there is God of War, there are different games that they don't have to be educated right now, but it's good if they get knowledge, they get regular knowledge about new games, because they'll be up to date to talk to their customers and service them better. So there are three type of basically franchise people which we are looking at. There is one conversion franchisees जो existing gaming parlor चला रहे हैं, कोई और rental business चला रहे हैं, and they are not very successful at it. or maybe they are looking for a larger portfolio, larger access to the customer base, and even the cafe owners जो basically अभी उन pandemic के time पे had a problem, like they can't get their ROI in place, so they can go for this our franchisee platform. Cafe owners can also convert their normal cafes into the Plugal cafes. Now coming to the property owners, जिन पे they have real estate and जो real estate में regularly invest करते हैं, the return on investment is very low. It goes up to 1%, and we are providing it around at 4.5%, and which is like 4 times higher than in real estate. And there is a ever growing demand. Like you'll always be out of stock. Those who rent out properties, they might or might not get their property, in place, but we are out of stock almost 99% of the time. And coming to the new investors, जो visionaries हैं, those who want to grow, evolve, those who want to get into the new business, those who are young, who are passionate about, going for it. So this platform is good for them also. So targeted cities, basically, like let's talk about the targeted cities. So we are targeting all these cities that you can see on your screen right now. Uh, 25 cities हैं जो एकदम immediate, present us with the opportunities. But we are not limited to this also. We can look into this opportunity, like as I feel ki any city would be, will be able to accommodate because of the, the because basically, the affordability factor comes in, and the exposure to gaming is जहाँ पे ज़्यादा होगी would be a very ideal city. Per capita income जहाँ की थोड़ी ठीक होगी would be a very ideal city, and the large growing population base जहाँ पे भी है, internet penetration जहाँ पे अच्छा है वहाँ पे होगी. So basically, these are the four major cities which I guess every company targets first: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and then there are city capitals, state capitals, and there are very fast-growing cities: Jaipur, Lucknow, Dehradun. We have started Shimla, West Ahmedabad, Indore, Kolkata, Mysore, Coimbatore, Jodhpur in north, Chandigarh. Chandigarh has been also been target. There are few franchisee interests that has come from Chandigarh and Ludhiana. Pune, we are starting very soon. So it's a very fast growing business, guys. What can I say? So these are the cities we are targeting right now. So there are three opportunities where that we have catered for you guys. So there is a small dealership, there is a large dealership, and there is a Plugal cafe. So small dealership में आप equipments rent out करेंगे basically directly from your house. Maybe you can rent out a 150 square foot area, but you can work it out from your home as well, which is a very great part about it. There is no extra cost that you have to bear, or you can keep all the the rental profits to yourself. So the rental income to yourself, and then there is a large dealership. The large dealership, you require a 200 square foot area. Again, you can rent out a small space for this, or अगर आप पे 200 square foot space रखा हो, you can work out from home for yourself. And the major benefit in a large dealership is there is a more customer base that you get. There is more variety and range of products that you can rent. There is more bigger customer base that you'll be targeting, and there is a better ROI in the large dealership. and then there is a Plugal Cafe. आप उसमें equipments rent out करेंगे. You will have your own gaming zone. गेमिंग जोन की सबसे अच्छी बात ये होगी दैट इट्स अ टू फेज थिंग. लाइक वील बी गिविंग यू कस्टमर्स. आपको अपने एरिया में कस्टमर्स लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. वील बी गिविंग यू, बिकॉज हमने एक सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान बनाया हुआ है जो कस्टमर ऑलरेडी ले लेता है, एंड एडवांस में दे पे फॉर देयर गेमिंग स्लॉट्स, which will I'll tell you further. So it's a proprietary thing and nobody is doing it in India right now. And there is a food cafe. You can always earn from the food that we'll be selling in your. We'll be giving out our menu, which which are curated by our chefs only. So these will be operated by you, and cafes are a very wonderful opportunity to go for. So the total setup cost will go around, for the small dealership, around 10 lakh rupees. The large dealership will go around 20 lakh rupees. And the cafe, you have to invest around 50 lakh rupees to get it going. And the ROI is very good. Like, I have been a franchisee myself. As I told you, I have taken many franchisees earlier, and I am providing one of the best opportunities right now, and I can always see all the pain points of the franchisees. तो मुझे पता है कहाँ franchisees को problem आती है, and we are there to help them out. सबसे बड़ा problem ही हम solve कर रहे हैं customer लाने का. Being it a cafe, being it a dealership, and being it a smaller dealership, we are there for you. And any other problems that you guys face, we are there for you. There is a 24/7 toll-free line which you can always call on, and we are there to help you out on that also. So coming to equipments, average cost, we have written it like it's a 24,000 rupee average cost, which people usually average price. And these are the equipments. Like, we'll be giving it out 20 consoles and 10 accessories in the small dealership to start out. We'll be giving 50 consoles and 25 accessories to start out with in a large dealership, and we'll be giving all these products in the cafe. So these are the large dealerships, income recognition. It's basically how much you'll earn out of it. And if you could see, we'll be able to give you an ROI within the next 2 years, 21 months, you can say 21.9 months to be very precise. ROI बहुत जल्दी मिलेगी आप लोगों को. आउटलेट सेटअप कॉस्ट जो है हमने अराउंड पूरा कैलकुलेट किया है, एंड वी आर इवन कैलकुलेटिंग द प्रॉफिट्स, एंड दीज आर द operational cost that you'll be bearing in this. And there is a royalty that we'll be getting of 20%, and there'll be a marketing fees 3%, which will be the central marketing fund. And so this is the cafe income recognition. If we come to the cafe, इसमें और भी अच्छी ROI है. We'll be 1.5 years you'll be able to get your money back, all your money back जो आप invest कर रहे हैं. And we have exit strategies in all these in place also. अगर आपको लगता है that this business is not for you, we have a exit strategy for each and every one of them, because we are we trust our product जो हम कर रहे हैं. We trust it fully, so we have planned out exit. जो those who feel कि कि there's something fishy, or there's something that is not going into their interest. So in this you will get, as I said, in the dealership you'll be getting your ROI back in 21 months, and in cafe it will be just 16 months, because there are multiple source of revenue in cafe. Like, always equipment rental hai, then subscriptions जैसे मैंने बोला. So there'll be multiple Plugal cafes around you. So idea is कि अगर कोई if I'm a gamer, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो आई बाय अ सब्सक्रिप्शन जिसमें मेरे पास घर के पास एक कैफे होगा, मेरे ऑफिस के पास एक कैफे होगा, मेरे स्कूल के पास एक कैफे होगा, हर जगह प्लूगल कैफेज होंगे। एंड विद दैट सब्सक्रिप्शन मैं जाके कभी भी गेम खेल सकता हूँ उन कैफेज में। एंड आई कैन ब्रिंग माई फ्रेंड्स अलोंग एंड आई हैव अ ऐप जिसमें मैं नियरेस्ट कैफे सर्च आउट कर सकता हूँ। And I can book my slots. There is a 30-minute slot for everybody, so I can book that. So there are subscriptions that we are rolling out. तो subscriptions जो हम roll out करेंगे, you'll get benefit out of those. आप भी subscriptions rent out कर सकते हैं. Then there are direct walk-in customers जो game खेलने आना चाहते हैं सिर्फ. Then there is food जो you'll always sell on your platform, and this is not a ordinary space to be. It's a very unique cafe opportunity. कोई भी ज्यादा लोग इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को अभी are not providing such an opportunity. अगर आप कोई भी कैफे देखेंगे, either they are providing food or they are providing specific things, but हमारे में क्या है कि it's a multiple रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम। आप कैफे से भी कमा रहे हैं, इक्विपमेंट्स रेंट आउट करके भी कमा रहे हैं, सब्सक्रिप्शन से भी कमा रहे हैं, एंड वॉक इन कस्टमर्स जो आ रहे हैं गेम खेलने एंड इन योर एरियाज एंड लोकली बाय लोकल मार्केटिंग से उनके थ्रू भी कमा रहे हैं। एंड ROI इज ह्यूज। इफ यू कैन सी, हम 77% की ROI कैफे में कमिट कर रहे हैं ईयरली। एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट डीलरशिप, उसमें हम 60% अराउंड आपको रिटर्न ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट दे पा रहे हैं। सो विच इज वेरी गुड एंड विच इज वेरी अनलाइकली। कोई ज्यादा बिजनेसेस ऐसा करते नहीं है। एंड एज आई सेड, सो कमिंग बैक टू समराइज एवरीथिंग अप, so India is a country of young people, and there is a ample gaming opportunity. Gamers जो है are evolving, and there is a community building every day. It's a new concept. It's a COVID free concept, and it's a it's a process which will go forever. Like कोई भी all seasons के लिए है, all economies के लिए है। ऐसा नहीं है कि यूज होना बंद हो जाएगा। there will be always a demand for it. Technology will grow, and there will be, always be Plugal to make it more affordable to the masses. Our brand is very strong, and even after that, PlayStation and Xbox are already a very promoted brands and promoted products, so we don't have to promote them much. So this is a large and expanding portfolio of games. Like there are 2000 games which are there, and they'll be coming, like 50 games are coming every month, jo on a very large scale, commercial scale. So there'll be no problem renting out these things also, accessories also. So, and coming back to your benefits, if we want to summarize, you will have multiple revenue streams, you will have future growth opportunities. Plugal is growing by the day, तो आपको और भी अपॉर्चुनिटी डिफरेंट मिलती रहेगी। गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री बहुत ज्यादा ग्रो कर रही है, एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी अ $250 billion industry by 2025 on the whole, in on earth. And you can leverage the community which we are providing you from day one. Like we have customers just mounting up to get these things rented out in your areas also. Like अगर आप कहीं से है, इंदौर से है, if you're listening and you're from Indore, and you're from any city, I mean, not just Indore, but I took it as an example. So if you're from any, we have customers there. You just have to approach us, and we'll start renting it out from the day one. So opportunity बहुत ज़्यादा है, and we have been doing it for quite a few years now, and we know कि कोई problems नहीं है. Every problem you might face, we have a solution for it, and we have a 24 hours S7 service for, if you face any problems, and we have exit strategies in case you feel like threatened by the franchisees owners. Sorry, by the company. So yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Varun. A very elaborate presentation and very well done in terms of the Google has done a remarkable work in the space and the overall industry. I have no doubt we've been talking last 10 years that this industry is coming to a time in India, particularly being such a
Exactly.
young country. There is no reason why we would not have a very large gaming community. This has been last 3 decades one of the fastest growing industries in Asia. If you go to Hong Kong and China, like that, you see the gaming cafes mushrooming. It's a culture there. Everybody end up going to a gaming cafe.
Exactly.
Technology has evolved over the time. A lot of content has been created, which even if you start now, if you have a gaming enthusiast, even next 10 years, if you play almost every single day, you still don't cover the content. So the problem in gaming was on one time, the content was not created in the speed. The enthusiasts were there. Fatigue out very fast. With both the hardware and the software now being so evolved, hardware itself also, because the gaming is also about the experience you get, that also has gone.
Exactly.
I'll start with a couple of things which you mentioned. I would like to highlight again as summarizing, because I was hearing it from you. There's a $250 billion global industry. That's the size of the. And I would like to know, maybe if you can highlight what is the current size for India 2020, and what do you see next 3 years India would go to?
So India is planning to go to about right now $80 billion industry by 2025. And the reason being is, the localized community of developers that are growing up every day.
Billion US dollars, you saying?
Yeah, I'm talking about US dollars, sir. So yeah, it's a very, and the biggest part that Plugel plays in it is, we are making that technology affordable, accessible. Basically, high-end gamings are very less accessible in India, if you understand. Like, I have been a kid myself, and I was, always trying to get a PlayStation 2 from my father, but due to being a cautious buyer and being from a middle class family, we were not we were never able to afford one. So, and there was always a skepticism around it, कि बच्चा बिगड़ जाएगा types. So so this is where we land in, and we do very great job in keeping their बच्चा safe.
आपके फादर ने तो फिर अच्छा नहीं किया, आपको मिला नहीं, आपने दुनिया के बच्चे बिगाड़ दिए, अब सबको बेच रहे हो।
बिगाड़ नहीं रहे सर, हम वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जब वो खेल सके, so they can focus on their studies and they can
what happens, there is an inherent problem, you don't know when it hits in your life and it stays with you and you want to solve that problem. So I think now why you're there in this business, because you were, so to say, deprived of not having an Xbox, and now you want to give it to everybody.
Exactly, sir. Actually, I've been always, like, even when I was, doing business, I wanted a gaming console for myself. And I was like, never able to get. So I thought कि बहुत हो गया. Let's get it in space.
That's what I like about entrepreneurs. They don't really chase complex problems. They chase simple problems, and because they chase simple problems, they get great results. So let's go to quickly, because we're running out of time. I would like to competition landscape. Quickly, if you can give me what is Plugal's competition in the market, who's coming up?
Right now, honestly speaking, sir, there is no competition at all. Because कोई competition भी rise हो रहा है, तो we are very affordable or based on other competitions. We don't take any security deposits. We have, we are very affordable, and there is right now we don't find any competition. अगर कोई भी customer calls on a customer service and says कि we are finding it somewhere else, the same product and on a cheaper price, or maybe any price, we are getting better opportunity from other than from your company, we challenge them कि you just show it to us, and we'll provide it in much cheaper prices, or anything else. If we go to Google is promoting us, and we are coming on top. Like if you type rent PS4 right now on Google, we'll be on top. So are doing it, but they are not doing it professionally, or maybe they are doing too many stuff. Like वो सब चीजें ही rent out कर रहे हैं, electronics, furniture. They are not focusing on the games.
Specialized and personalized is the game, so the whole
Yeah,
industry
yeah,
is specialized and personalized. People want their
yeah.
type of really
Yeah, if you go, they don't even give you games which customer wants to play. वो games देते हैं जो they have. So I don't find any competition there, sir, honestly speaking, and that is why we have a waiting list of so many people right now.
very good. So now the problem you are trying to solve is that there is a huge demand being created pan India, and because we have been operation limited to a couple of locations, they are not able to give that demand. So they are bringing in franchisees, and franchisees would have three models. One model is a small model which you can start with the 7 odd lakh rupees, where you would have to just use your own home infrastructure or something like that, where any
Right.
demand of come, you will rent out games. This has been
Yeah.
historic in 90s or in 80s also. Gaming on lease was a very big opportunity. There was a
Right.
company which in the first gaming experience which was launched in 80s were these small set-up boxes which came from Mario Brothers, and all of these games were there.
Yeah.
For days and days, and kids used to play those games. And then sophisticated Xboxes and versions of them started coming in. But the older console boxes were very, very small. But renting of that time was very, very big. There used to be video parlors which used to also rent out gaming equipment at that particular time. So this is not in
Yeah,
an industry.
and sorry to interrupt you, and about part about our businesses, that we're technologically driven. We have apps, and we have website to connect each and every customers, and we have the community to connect with each other as well. So it gets more feasible for the future as well as for the present as well.
A very community thing. If you play with others, you play with people at different levels. Now people are playing in where you don't even know who's there.
Right.
People play and compete with a lot of people out there, and this is how the gaming is evolving. Now, coming on a franchise model, the only area which I have realized in this business is it was always a high margin business. This was a subscription business. Once, say, I get into gaming, then I will continue to be a subscriber and continue to order new
Exactly.
things.
Yeah.
If I become an enthusiast, then you have me, and you have me all the time. I'll keep talking like addiction, just get onto that. It's a good addiction.
Exactly.
Sport. You can, once you get into a sport, you regularly have to do that. But the challenge which I've seen in the gaming is, and especially with innovation hitting that, is a disruption keeps happening. So a lot of content becomes outdated. So when you invest as a franchisee, I'm investing into this, and tomorrow I see not so much of demand of that, even a hardware or needs upgradation, or my games needs upgradation. What is a continuous investment which we need to do?
So we have planned it out very intelligently in the past few years. So what we have done is, when the technology starts getting obsolete, we analyze it, based on the demand. So we looking at the depreciation of the product at that point of time, we start changing their stock to the newer technology. So they don't have to invest as much as they have to. We just create a demand out of those investments that made earlier. So there are analysts and the researchers in our company which are always looking for these things, for new technology, and we are up for new technology rather than older technologies. We try to be at the upfront of the newer things coming up. So we'd be able to stay relevant. And the investments is not as much as you might think. We try to compensate with the existing stock with the
Yeah,
new
but
for the newer technology.
a little bit of word of caution here for investors that you need to really understand when you get into business like this, you need to be relevant. And while the company would support you with a lot of guidance and say how you want to do that, but you prepared that at a certain stage you might have
Yeah.
to upgrade equipment and upgrade your games. So and that should be a strategy. You mentioned a couple of times in your presentation, one on a lighter note and also on a perspective, that exit strategy. If you can elaborate on the exit strategy, what is the exit strategy you think? I mean, if I want to, after 6 months, don't feel that I want to be in the business, can I return the equipment, or what is an exit strategy? How does it work?
Yeah, so basically, we are very confident about our business. We have been doing it very successfully, and there have been few franchise like in Dehradun. So we know for a fact that once a franchisee gets on board, they won't be having any problem at all. But sometimes we get into an industry which we feel like it's not for us. So we give them a very good exit strategy, in which what we do is we tell them just to stay with us for the next few months, and we'll buy back all the products, and we'll operate it we'll company operate it at their space. And or maybe we'll give it to the new franchisee which is interested in their space as well. Like if we talk about Dehradun, which we are doing right now, so what happens is, once franchisee is created, he refers it to other people to do the same in their area. So we have created a waiting list in Dehradun as well for the franchisees who wants to do. What we do is we create a customer demand first, and then we create a franchisee there.
Very
Are you getting?
Absolutely, absolutely. I understood that once you create a demand, then you know that. And this is exactly what my next question is. Where is the next 10 cities where you think that there is a lot of demand being created and you're not able to fulfill? And if you can tell
Actually, sir.
also, I would like our audience to go out and write in a Q&A box, which Sonia can take, which cities you would be interested to start your franchise. Yes, over to you.
So as far as I was researching and my team was researching, there are around 700 districts in India, and around most of them have already contacted. It's very strange to say, but we have a list of around we have been called from every city because of the Google promoting us. So we actually I can't just name one city because we have so much of customers. But if I have to name 10 cities, I'd be like go for the urban cities first, because there is a very huge demand growing there, and then the Tier 1, Tier 2 cities as well. Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Kolkata, and the cities which are very student cities which are very student dense, like Kota, Dehradun, where there are more universities and more coaching places. Like Kota is very very known for its student base. So we have there are many calls from all around India, and I cannot just emphasize on this enough.
मत जाना, उनके सबके रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएंगे वहां पर, सिर्फ लोग
There have been even the hotel industry which has been,
results could become even better because this gives you a break, and kids want the break after studying so
yeah.
hard.
And it's a very misconception ki kids would ruin their lives while gaming. Actually, it helps them develop their cognitive abilities.
Absolutely. And you can see my gray hair. I come from old age. So over to you, Sonia, for your question. One of the very important aspect which we have not touched upon is the income. Over to you, please.
Okay, thank you so much, Varun. I think your presentation was very detailed and you took a lot of effort to prepare and present. And I also equally believe this is a good opportunity in video game rentals. While you mentioned you are perhaps one of the pioneers in India, but internationally it started maybe in early 2000. Companies like GameFly, based out of US, have been doing because they realized the lack of choice. People had the quality selection of games, and also most importantly the pricing, which was way too high for people to actually pay. So, what I'll start off with, while I'll pick some cities, also you mentioned Pan India is the play for you. And first and foremost, talking about the three formats, which one out of these three formats is there a restriction of the format that you want to do for any specific city, say cafe, maybe a bigger city, maybe smaller, based on the opportunity size? Is there a segregation where these formats have to enter one? And second, what is the potential income one can have across these three models?
So, coming to the cafes, we'll probably do it in the urban cities and the tier one cities first. And the dealership can be done in all kinds of cities, and depending upon the demand, as I said, we'll first create a demand in that city, and then we'll finalize the franchisee. Can be done from any cities. And coming to the income perspective, so the income is around, you can say, can go up to like 7 to 8% of their investments, which is very high. And usually not a lot of businesses provide that, as I have been into a few. So it's very good, and we are helping them out in getting it up to that numbers.
Okay. Now, second would be, while we talked about the entire, gaming equipment and also games. So I wanted to know, when we get a new console equipment games, how fast are these available on your platform? For example, maybe a PS5 or maybe a GTA 5 kind of a game. So how soon are they available on a platform? Because all the gamers, they would like to experiment something which has come new. So what is the frequency of
So,
and what
so
is
we are di- so we
the
are
time?
directly partnering up with the companies, and we can provide it at almost instantaneously. So it's not a problem of providing it. It's the problem of reaching it to the customers. Like, as I've told you, we have already a very high demand for obsolete products. So bringing in new products will create even higher demand, which we might not be able to achieve right now. So I'd be looking for first to get our community bigger with our franchisees and with our company getting bigger by the day. And when I feel, we can provide it instantaneously. It just depends on, when we can reach it to the customers.
Sure. Great. And I'll take, maybe I'm seeing some locations also, which I'll take. And I have a question from our consultant, Mr. Jaideep Naik. Do you charge any royalty on the overall revenue which the outlet runs?
So the royalty is 20%, and 3% is the central marketing fund that you have to pay.
Okay, so that comes to 23% on the overall revenue. Second is, do we
Yeah.
need any license to run the center?
So basically, if you want to do the dealership part, you don't have to get anything else apart from getting your company and the GST. But if you're going for a cafe, then you might have to go for the local area compilations, like getting a company incorporated, GST. Like if I talk about in Delhi, you have to get the Delhi police license, health license, FSSAI license. So there are all sort of license, and we are helping the franchisees everything. So we'll be doing it for them. If they can do it on their behalf, if they can get the licenses by themselves or they already have them, they can do it. Either way, we'll be helping out with them, helping out in the every
And we can do
compilation.
calls, right? So we have Mr. Atul, again, our partner. He would like to know if we can also establish something like this, which is a gaming zone in a mall as well.
Yeah, definitely we can do it in a mall, and mall would be an ideal place to get more eyeballs. And the it saves us a lot on local marketing if we do it in a mall. If we see that, because there are more walk-in customers there, so automatic walk-in customers there. So yeah.
So two, three cities from मैं आपसे लूंगी and just say these are good. And I think somebody is asking for the entire Gujarat. So is Gujarat a good territory, and there is enough demand for somebody to survive in that territory? Other cities.
Yeah, I have a Excel sheet. Just let me tell you how much people are currently in Gujarat, which are on our pending list. So around 3,285 people are there in Gujarat, which are in a waiting list, which we have told them like we'll be opening there soon, and we'll provide you as soon as possible. Some of them have even given us uh, a few bucks in advance to just ensure if we arrive there, they get them first. So yeah, people are going crazy all around.
And how about Jaipur and Jammu?
Uh, so Jammu is a little low. It's around 800 people so far, who have contacted us, and Jaipur is at around 4,550 or something.
Good
So there's a
amount
huge
for
number. Yeah.
many of them. And also a lot of other cities which I'm seeing, for example, Chennai. And friends, we like to say, I think Varun already mentioned, it's a great potential for all cities, and they already have a big demand which has been there, and this demand has not been catered because of the presence of the brand not being there. So I would request, and some of you also requested maybe a picture of the outlet or the cafe, and we can maybe have sometime in this coming week. Varun, do you think we can do even a tour of the cafe, or maybe anything which you think can also be given as a virtual tour to the investors, which they can go through? And I will also request friends, you need to mention your city where you wish to open and send that across to us. Mention the model that you are keen to also undertake. I think smaller model does not require any space, that can be taken anywhere and without much licensing needs as well. So do mention what you are looking for, city that you are keenly looking for, and we'll take up with Mr. Varun Mittal all your queries. But last question, are we giving any radius to a franchisee? For example, you have a franchisee in Jaipur, so will we have more partners? And if yes, is there a radius within which he's operating?
So it depends on how much franchisees we get on Jaipur. Like we want to cater all the demands, and we want all the products to be rented out by all our franchisees. So if we have one franchisee, we won't put it into a radius firstly, but if we as we grow our network, we'll put them into a radius, and so we to provide better efficiency on fuel cost and everything. So we'll try to get them a good radius, in future. But first we create a demand. Actually, right now, as I said, there are 4,500 customers in Jaipur, and we as a company want to cater every one of them. So it totally, very customizable thing. The radius, right? If a franchisee wants to do it in a radius, if he's comfortable in a radius, we'll do it in a radius. But we'd prefer, to be, to have as much reach as we can. It's very customizable
Okay,
right now for
great.
now.
I think this great. Thank you so much, Varun. And before we close, any message that you have for the entire audience which is listening to you?
And what is your favorite game?
Mine is like FIFA, like football. I am a huge football fan, so I play FIFA, like whichever version is newest. So I just go for this. And I don't even play all the games. I just, if I want to go, I just go for FIFA. I don't know why.
This is good. This is good. Playing FIFA. FIFA fever is starting, and it's 2022 is going to be even bigger year for football. So it's being a fan, you would have a lot of opportunity there.
Yeah, yeah. Even EA, like, we have many companies which approach us to rent it out. Like, if you have heard of Nestaway and other companies like Stanza Living, or what they're doing is they want us to be on their app so they can benefit out of us. So there's way more.
Very, very good opportunity to even these big co-living spaces. If you create a
Yeah,
cafe and this cafe should be open for the residents and also for outside people. And if you want, we
exactly,
can
sir.
you with the large co-working and co-living places. They would be happy to give you locations which can actually create value for their members and also for outside people to build and come in for community.
Yes, sir. So we are looking for it. Actually, I'll be very happy to work for work with you on this also. So co-working spaces and hotels. These are the two people which are which we are targeting after this.
Can be a very good idea because there are young people out there. It's absolutely TG for young people. Good. So
Yeah.
last slide before we close the show.
So I wasn't able to hear you properly. Sorry.
Any last comments from you before we close the webinar today?
Not I could think of properly. I've already enough whatever was on my mind. So I hope
$1 million.
we do a great business and may be able to provide affordable technology to the masses.
Absolutely, absolutely. And great fun and happiness to everybody. So that's what your mission is, and you are doing a good job. So continue doing good jobs. So it's a huge market coming in. And
Yeah, sure, sir.
over to you, Sonia, for your comments.
Thank you so much, Varun. Varun, any date that you want to confirm where we can bring investors? We have a lot of people who are looking forward to maybe speaking and maybe meeting. We can have people around Delhi NCR who can also maybe connect with you.
So whenever, ma'am, you feel comfortable, like this week or maybe start of the next week, maybe anytime, I'll be happy to talk to them and get on a one-to-one conversation.
So look forward. So do you want to give any date and if we can work backwards on that? Because I am seeing a lot of comments. Pushpak ji wants to connect with you. We have somebody from other locations also all wanting to reach out to you. So if we can announce and our team can start reaching out and start fixing your time. अगर आपको next week ठीक
Just
लगता है 19th, 20th, 21st, any of these dates if you think is okay, we can maybe fix up a time and request blocking with these.
and yeah, 18th or maybe 19th, both are free and both are wonderful.
Okay, so we can do 19th being a Tuesday, friends, which is exactly a week from today. And we'll reach out to you, and you can also reach on the hotline number that we have mentioned, and we'll help you connect with Mr. Varun Mittal. Thank you so much. Over to you, Ashna. Thank you so much, Varun, for sharing your business model with each one of us. We'll definitely come back to you. Thank you so much, our panel member. Thank you so much, dear participants who have joined us today. Please book your slot to have one-to-one interaction with Varun at this business hotline number, which is 97176 We also invite and encourage each one of you to share your feedback, your suggestion with us. Join us at different social handles, information on your screen. You want to revisit, you want to watch all the previously done brands webinar summits, please visit us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. You can connect and write to management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn IDs. Information on your screen. And tomorrow, under 215th edition of Business Opportunity UP Chai webinar series, we are inviting you for a very low cost opportunity. It's a man-van model where we are bringing team of Karo Safe, where they'll be presenting their model with each one of you. At the same business hotline number, you can get a registration link. Once you register with us, you'll get a confirmation mail. So please do both registration so that tomorrow sharp 12 p.m. you can join us. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, friends.
Thanks, Karun.
Thank you. Good day.
Thank you. Thank you.